course Fluid Mechanics. Today we are going to solve problems from Module 2, that is Fundamentals of Fluid Flow. We are solving problems on potential and stream function. So we'll see the first problem. So the problem you can see here, in a two-dimensional incompressible flow, the velocity component are given by u is equal to x minus 4y and v is equal to minus y minus 4x. Show that velocity potential exists and determine it. Also find the corresponding stream function. So this was a question paper problem, so which was asked in December 2016, Jan 2017 for a 8 marks. So we'll see what is the solution for this particular problem. So as you see the problem, it is in two-dimensional flow. So as we have already discussed about the what is the stream function and potential function. So here they have given the components, the velocity components u and v. So that is u is equal to x minus 4y and v is equal to minus y and minus 4x, minus y minus 4x. So what you have to find out, you have to show that velocity potential exists. So that is phi exists. So and if that exists, what is the value for phi you have to determine, and after that you have to determine the stream function psi. So for that, to show that velocity potential exists, we have an equation. So that is dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. So that is the condition. So if potential function phi exists means, then the sum of the derivatives of the velocity components u and v with respect to x and y should be 0. So for that, so you differentiate u with respect to x. If you differentiate u with respect to x, so here dou u by dou x is equal to x y component minus 4y will be 0. So differentiation of x is 1. And here, so v is equal to minus y minus 4x, the differentiation of v with respect to y. So y with respect to y means minus 1. So x with respect to y is 0. So dou u by dou x you'll get it 1 and dou v by dou y minus 1. So if you add these two derivatives, dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y, so you will get 0, which is plus 1 minus 1. You will get dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, then it shows there is a potential function. So hence, so whatever the two-dimensional incompressible flow they have given, so it is a continuous function and the velocity potential phi exists. Okay, if this dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is not equal to 0, then phi does not exist. So next you have to determine that phi. So now we got to know that phi exists. So we have to determine what is that phi. So for that we have a component, the velocity components. So in terms of potential function, so that is dou phi by dou x is equal to minus u and dou phi by dou y is equal to minus v. So we have already having the u and v values, so you just equate that u and v for this derivatives. So it will be dou phi by dou x is equal to minus x plus 4y and dou phi by dou y is equal to, so minus here minus u is there, so you have to multiply minus, then you will get dou phi by dou x is equal to minus x plus 4y and dou phi by dou y is equal to y plus 4x. So here, so you just name this dou phi by dou y as an equation number 2. So now to get the value of phi, so what you have to do, you have to integrate this dou phi by dou x with respect to x. So if you integrate this dou phi by dou x with respect to x, so you will get the integration, the integral of dou phi by dou x. So derivative and integral will get cancelled. So you will get phi is equal to, the integration of minus x is minus x square by 2 and the integration of 4y with respect to x means it is 4xy plus the integration constant c. So we'll name this equation as an equation number 1. So now what we have to do, we have to differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to y. Remember, first we have to integrate with respect to x. The second, we have to differentiate with respect to y. So if you take the differentiation, so you will get dou phi by dou y is equal to the differentiation of x square by 2 minus x square by 2 with respect to y. There is no y term, so it is 0. So plus the differentiation of 4xy with respect to y, it is 4x, plus the differentiation of constant c with respect to y is dou c by dou y. So now we have equation number 2. Here you can see the equation number 2, that is dou phi by dou y is y plus 4x. You just substitute this equation number 2 in this equation. So that is dou phi by dou y. So if you equate that, so you will get y plus 4x is equal to 4x plus dou c by dou y. So 4x will get cancelled. So dou c by dou y you will get is equal to y. So because we have to get the value of constant. So now to eliminate the derivative, what we have to do, we have to integrate. So if you take the integration of dou c by dou y with respect to y, so you will get c is equal to y square by 2 plus c1. And here, so c1 is a constant of integration. It is independent, it may be either a x value or y value. So that's why we'll consider that c1 as a 0. So c will get it as y square by 2. So now you just substitute that c in the equation number 1. So you will get phi is equal to minus x square by 2 plus 4xy plus y square by 2. So potential function phi we have determined. So minus x square by 2 plus 4xy plus y square by 2. Remember first, so you have to integrate it, and later you have to differentiate. Again you have to determine the constant, you have to take the integration again. Okay, so twice integration and once differentiation. You just remember that. So in the next, what is the next parameter they have asked in the problem is, so you have to determine the, now we have got the value or the function, potential function. So the next is we have to determine the stream function. So stream function is xi. Okay, it is xi. So similarly we have a velocity components in terms of psi function, that is dou psi by dou x is equal to v, and dou psi by dou y is equal to minus, so we have equated dou psi by dou x is equal to v. So dou psi by dou x, v we have, they have already given in the problem, so that is minus y and minus 4x. We have equated v. So dou psi by dou x will get it minus y minus 4x, and dou psi by dou y is equal to minus u. Remember, so it is a reverse in case of the stream function. In case of potential function, you can see in the previous, so in case of potential function, so dou phi by dou x is equal to minus u, and dou phi by dou y is equal to minus v. So whereas in case of a stream function here, you can see, so dou phi by dou x is v, and dou phi by dou y is minus u. So you equate u and v for these two functions. So now we'll name this dou psi by dou y as an equation number 2. Now we'll consider dou psi by dou x, so that is minus y minus 4x. So first step is you have to integrate with respect to x. So if you integrate dou psi by dou x with respect to x, so you will get xi is equal to the integration of minus y with respect to x is, so minus xy, the and integration of minus 4x is minus, so 2x squared, because integration of x is x square by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 4 will get cancelled. 4 will be so divided by 2. So minus 2x square plus the integration, the constant of integration k. So we'll name this as an equation number 1. So now the next, after the integration, the second step, you have to differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to y. So if you differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to y, so dou I by dou y is equal to the differentiation of minus xy with respect to y is minus x, and so minus 2x square with respect to y is 0, and the differentiation of constant k is dou k by dou y. So now we have equation number 2, that is dou I by dou y is equal to minus x plus 4y. You just substitute this in this equation in the place of dou I by dou y. So you will get, so minus x plus 4y is equal to minus x plus dou k by dou y. So minus x will get cancelled. So the constant dou k by dou y, you will get it 4y. So now you have to get the value of k, you have to integrate with respect to y. So if you take the integration, so the integral of dou k by dou y is equal to, so the integral of 4y. So the integral of dou k by dou y is equal to k. So and the integration of 4y square is 2y square. So integration of y is y square by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So k you will get it 2y square. So now you just substitute this k in the equation number 1. So you will get the stream function xi is equal to minus xy minus 2x square plus 2y square. So this is the stream function what we have obtained. So using the velocity components whatever they have given in the problem, u and v. Thank you. So we'll just see the next problem in the next